Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. So in today's video we will see how to use AI modules like ChatGPT, Gemini and Claude AI. So let's use ChatGPT first. Type chatgpt.com and hit enter. So here you will get one screen. There you can search anything. Suppose if I ask what is variable, so it will give me the information about variable. And this, as you have seen, this is very fast than search engines, and here you can get literally any information with the code also in Python. So next chat module is Gemini. So type gemini.google.com. Maybe sometimes you have to create your account there first to search, to ask any prompt. So what is Python? See, in this way you can search here also, but one more feature is there. You can upload image and you can ask any question on that image. So that we'll see in Claude AI. Third one, Claude. So Claude.ai. So here I'll ask what is ultrasonic wave. So it will give me information about ultrasonic waves. And also I can upload any image and ask any question to this module. If I upload, what is this? So it will analyze this image and it will give me information about this image. So in this way you can use these three chat modules. So that's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more artificial intelligence videos.